Death wings. These wings are served with your choice of sauce. Wimpy, molten, or the absolutely insane death sauce. This sauce is so hot.
I have one question. Can I get some ranch or 2 things of ranch?
What are you doing?
Yeah. Thank you.
We got more. We got one more.
How did we convince this boy to do this?
We got Chico in the house. We got Ayana Fields. And we got Michael Alexander here. Death Wings Challenge at Grinders in Kansas City.
Hey, can both y'all just pray for us real quick?
Here are the wings.
Say a little prayer. They gave us gloves.
So much sauce, bro.
All right. All right, they're picking their wings. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, look at that. Look at them go. Get it in, Michael. Come on, Ayana. You guys are doing very good. Okay. Michael?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
His face turning red. Oh, nice. Ayana finished with the clean bone. Wait, it's 2. He's in 2?
We did that.
Are you alright, bro? No! Yo, I am very proud of you guys. I am very proud. I feel like a father of 3. I'm not sure what I was doing. I'm not sure what he's doing. TJ, are you alright, bro? He's crying.
I want water, but I know it's not yet.
Ayana, are you crying too?
I need my halo. I need my halo. I can't breathe. Just lick the wrist. Just lick the wrist. Lick it.
You said, did you eat 2?
I need milk.
What you need? Somebody get this man. Yo, that is really bad.
Need some milk.
Yo, get some ranch, TJ. Get some ranch.
Fuck it.
Dude, just drink some ranch or something.
Bro, just got sauce on it. Fuck it.
I really need my halo.
Where's Michael going? Where's Michael going? Where the hell's Michael going?
20 minutes later.
Low-key, TJ low-key is dying on the inside. TJ gonna hop in his car. TJ about to spark fire as soon as he gets in the car.
I got recovered first. I felt pretty good earlier.
No, because I felt good until I took Anthony's advice. He was like, yeah, put the ice on your lips. And then it was like, I was like, fuck. And I had to keep doing it.